This is Srimad Bhagavatam, 7th Canto, Chapter 1, Verse 30. If a bona fide listener hears of Krishna's pastimes with the gopis, which seem to be lusty affairs, then the lusty desires in his heart, which constitute the heart disease, the conditioned soul, will be vanquished. And he, that person, will become a most exalted devotee of the Lord. Exalted means advanced, adept. So what Prabhupada is saying here, he's not stating that one who has anarthas should not hear. Rather, he's stating that one should not hear from, he should hear from right source. Now here's another. This is, again, Vrindavan. Now we heard a room conversation from Vrindavan in 1974. Now this is a lecture, 1976. Remember, Prabhupada left in 77. October 31st, lecture on Bhagavatam, 5th canto. What's 5th canto about? Teachings of Rishabhadev, the hellish planets, structure of the universe, the 5th canto. 5th canto, chapter 5, verse 9. So somehow Prabhupada got talking about Rasa Lila. He says, in the quote, this is the quote from the lecture, right? 559, Vrindavan 31, October 76. And Bhaktim Param Bhagavati Pratilabhya Kamam. This is the same verse, 33-39. This is the result. Not that after hearing Rasa Lila, I read Rasa Lila, and I heard about Rasa Lila. Let me imitate. Let me get some young girls and dance with them and enjoy. No. That should not be done. That is going on. Rascal Mayavadis, they do like that. Perhaps you've heard. There are so many instances. But actually, the result will be Ridrogam Kamam Achirena Dira. No more desire. Now, this final thing is from the introduction of the Krishna book. The pleasure potency is called Srimati Radharani. The attraction of loving affairs on the basis of sex feeling is the original feature, Adiras, Janmadyasya Yataha, Janmadyadi. It's a Vedanta Sutra which comprises the basis of the first verse of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Right? Janmadyasya, Janma Adi, the Adiras. The attraction of loving affairs on the basis of sex feelings is the original feature of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We, conditioned souls, being parts and parcels of the Supreme Lord, have such feelings also. Every man, every woman has sex appetite. You have appetite, food appetite, sex appetite, achievement appetite. We have appetite. We want to achieve, accomplish. We want to accomplish something. We want to achieve. We want to eat. We want to sleep. We want to mate. We want to do something. These are all appetites, pushings. We're part and parcels of Krishna. He also has sex appetite. We have also. But our feelings are experienced in a perverted, minute, and limited condition. Therefore, when those who are after sex life, those people who are after sex life, they're interested in it and they're having it, enjoying it in this material world, in other words, Prabhupada is saying, when sex mongers, those that are after sex life, when they hear Krishna's pastimes with the gopis, they will relish transcendental pleasure, although it appears to be materialistic. The advantage will be that they will gradually be elevated to the spiritual platform. They, the sex mongers, he's saying, what to speak of initiated devotee, four regular principles, chanting 60 rounds, living in Vrindavan, and they don't read the Krishna book. Prabhupada is telling here an introduction to the Krishna book. Come on, everybody, read it. Oh, you're a sex monger? Okay, it's good for you. You need it more than anybody. You are all interested in sex? Okay, we got it right here. Krishna sex, find out about it. But devotees who are initiated, surrender to the Guru, taken by Diksha, they don't touch it. Oh, it's a hot potato. It's taboo. What is it? Taboo. Oh, no, so-and-so said and so-and-so said, don't read it. Well, what about the person who wrote the book? Prabhupada. The advantage will be that they will gradually, in the Bhagavatam it is stated that if one hears the pastimes of Krishna with the gopis from authorities, with submission, then he will be promoted to the platform of transcendental loving service to the Lord, and the material disease of lust within his heart will be completely vanquished. In other words, Prabhupada says, such hearing will counteract material sex life. Hari Bol. Srila Prabhupada ki.